Got one package here from Shopee. Let's unbox this thing. Spicy. I have to rip this thing apart. Like the whole. There we go. Get this thing out of here. This is a mechanical keyboard that I bought from Shopee. It is very cheap. 700 pesos. Maybe a little bit above that. Oh my gosh, I am not used to this at all. I can already feel that this is going to be clicky as heck. It's gonna annoy my to its absolute limits. Okay, ooh my god, look at this. It's very shiny. If I know this correctly, this is a blue switch, which means it is very clicky. Here we go, a blue switch. You know what, let me just do a sound test a little bit. Hold up. It's gonna annoy the ever-living heck out of my mom.